Hi everyone, I am Artem, sales manager at MORO Aratri. Today we are going to look at one of the most important aspects of Plough, but not in the field, on the road. For over than 30 years, MORO has been developing a dedicated system for both operation, transport and working. In 1999, we patented the first transport system. MORO is able to offer road homologation for all the Plough range. The MORO regulation clearly defines interchangeable towed equipment. A MORO Plough equipped with the MORO regulation kit officially becomes a towed implement. This makes it compliant with the regulation of individual member states through the European Union. Now let's take a look closer how it works. The MORO regulation kit consists of three main elements. The first is a transport system that ensures quick conversion from working mode to transport mode and vice versa. And thanks to two wheels, it provides a greater stability on the road. The second element is lighting kit, already equipped with license plate holder, lighting system and warning panels. The third element is a fast system, MORO patented technology that allows the tractor top link to be released from the Plough headstock without disconnecting it. Thanks to the steering drawbar, on the road the Plough behaves like a trailer. This facilitates maneuvering and ensures greater safety, especially at intersections and roundabouts. Last but not least, the kit is completed by rubber share protection and wheel chocks. With the MORO regulation system, MORO confirms its approach to develop advanced technical solution in full compliance with regulation, ensuring safety, reliability and operation continuity in every condition.